I want each and every students to be turning on your video. Yes, I am also very much fine. I want each and every students to be turning on your video. If some technical issues are there, then it will be fine. But try to resolve it as soon as possible. So we will start with the lecture. Before that, uh, sir will take the attendance. Okay. So I request you all to turn on your video and sit straight just for 1 minute. All of you sit straight. Attendance is going on. That's why I want each and every student to be turning on your video. Today also algebra will be there. Okay, I will discuss about that. Yes, so I hope you have gone through the last lecture. Okay, revision part also you have did. We have done with the sets part. We have started with the sets part, and we have completed practice at 1.1 also. I hope you all of you done the homework also. I have given you a little bit sums, 3 to 4 sums I have given, right? Yeah. Yes, I'm getting the reply. And lots of students are asking many questions. Okay, so I have lots of chats with me, so it's not possible for me to answer or reply each and everyone's chats. But ऐसा मत समझो कि सर ने इग्नोर किया है मैसेज को. Okay, I am getting your point. I am getting your questions also. Okay, time by time I will give you the reply. Okay, because we have 145 180 students, right? So it will be not possible for me to give each and every reply. Sir, you are not audible. Yes guys, I'm not audible. Yes, I'm audible. You are audible. Yes. So those are not hearing properly, kindly check your headphone now. Yes, lots of students are telling that you're audible. Okay. Sir, we have to make separate. Okay. First, we will discuss with the books part. Okay. Lots of students having lots of queries regarding the book, right? So what you have to do for the entire year, we have two subjects, Max 1 and Max 2. We can call it as algebra and geometry, right? So for Max 1, you have to make 2 notebooks for classwork. Again, I am repeating. Algebra के लिए आपको 2 notebook बनाना है 200 pages के. One notebook for first semester and another notebook for second semester. It is clear? It is clear? Yes, my voice is breaking. Some students are telling voice is breaking. Guys, those who are facing the issue now, please clear your resolve that part, because I'm very much audible. And the mic is art Oramo mic is there, so it will be very good only. Okay, yeah. So we are moving towards the part. I was telling you that हमारे को algebra के लिए we want 2 notebooks. Okay, first notebook for first semester, second notebook for. Sir, we can write classwork and homework in one notebook. No, no, no. For classwork you have to make separate book, and for homework you have to make separate book. Okay, मैं एकदम simple language में समझा देता हूँ आपको what you have to make for mathematics. Okay, we have 2 subjects, algebra and geometry. Algebra के लिए आपको 2 books बनाना है, और वो 2 books पूरा साल भर चलेगा आपका. And that 2 books will be classwork book, यानी कि हम जो यहाँ पर lecture ले रहे हैं ना, वो आपको लिखना है उस book में. Okay, so 1 200 pages वाला बुक में आप क्या लिखोगे? You will write the classwork part, means हम लोग जो लेक्चर ले रहे हैं ना, वो आप लिखेंगे फर्स्ट बुक में. फुल सेमेस्टर उसमें चले जाएगा एक बुक में 200 पेज का. सेकंड बुक में आप क्या करोगे? सेकंड सेमेस्टर जब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे ना, देन यू हैव टू राइट दैट पार्ट इन द सेकंड नोटबुक. दिस इज फॉर क्लास वर्क. एंड नाउ आई एम कमिंग टुवर्ड्स द होमवर्क. होमवर्क के लिए भी आप वैसे ही करोगे, जैसे आप क्लास वर्क के लिए 2 बुक बनाए, वैसे होमवर्क के लिए भी 2 बुक बना दो. One book for one semester and second book for second semester. Please repeat it again. Okay, again I am repeating. Sir, long is okay. You have the school notebook now? You have the school notebook now with you? Okay, सो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग द प्रीवियस ईयर सेम यू हैव टू फॉलो इट. ओके, जैसे आप 2 बुक बनाते थे वैसे ही यहाँ पर बनाना है. हाउ मच पेजेस होमवर्क बुक? ऑलरेडी 200 pages. You have to make notebook of 200 pages because we will practice lots of sums, right? Okay, this type of notebook will be okay. It will be okay. Okay, your notebook will be there na, that kind of notebook. You have to make 4 notebook. अगर मैं इजीली बोल दूँ तो आपको. ओके, फॉर एल्जेब्रा के लिए अगर मैं बात करूँ तो कैसे बोलेंगे हम लोग? एल्जेब्रा के लिए वी हैव 2 notebooks फॉर क्लास वर्क, 2 notebooks फॉर होमवर्क. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? Similarly, geometry के लिए we have 2 notebooks for class work, 2 notebook for homework. Okay, I was not there in the last lecture. Okay, it's fine. हम लोग अब रिविजन में आएंगे तो हम लोग क्लियर कर लेंगे उसको. Doesn't matter. I think books part वाला is clear to you. You have to make in short 8 notebooks. Okay, 4 notebooks for algebra, 4 notebooks for geometry. Okay, and what about the notes? Yeah, regarding notes and all. Okay, if you have any query, that we have that ID na, email ID we have na. So just post your query that and you will get a reply. Okay, you have any of the doubts regarding academics part now, so you have to mail, you have to write the your content in the mail. Okay, and the answers will be let you know. Okay, so we are moving towards the part. Okay, sir, I have 100 pages notebook. I have taken the set of notebooks. Okay, this query will be solved in the email only because 100 pages will be not sufficient, right? You also aware of that. हम लोग मैथ्स कर रहे हैं, right? हम लोग इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमारा डायरेक्टली 100 पेजेस में हो जाएगा. मैथ्स में वी नीड टू डू प्रैक्टिस. Okay, so we need 200 pages. Why we have to make 8 notebooks? Now only I have replied you that for the entire year, okay, you have to make 2 class books for algebra and 2 class books for geometry. 4 बुक आपको बनाना है. ओके, एंड फॉर होमवर्क पर्पस मैंने आपके लिए बताया कि आप बना सकते हो वैसा बुक होमवर्क के लिए अलग से, राइट? बिकॉज यू हैव टू डू द होमवर्क ऑल्सो. सो आई थिंक यू विल बी अवेयर ऑफ दैट कि आपको होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. तो होमवर्क के लिए ऑब्वियसली आप बुक तो बनाओगे ही ना, थोड़ी ना हम क्लास वर्क बुक में लिखेंगे. क्लास वर्क में आपको क्या करना है मालूम क्या गाइस? यू हैव टू जस्ट राइट दोस थिंग्स जो हम लोग लेक्चर में कर रहे हैं. whatever the sums we are doing in the lecture now, you have to do that in the class work. And for homework, you are aware that imagine that app is there now. In that app you will get the homework part. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think this much is very much clear to you guys. We'll move towards the lecture part. Yes, magic app, that exactly. Okay, so those who are facing with the notes part now, kindly drop a mail in the respective mail ID. You will get the answer from there. Okay, sir, can't we make only one book for 1 and 2 semester? Well, mention it on the page that is first semester another. No guys, it will be not possible. Okay, let's start with the first semester 2 now. पहले हम first semester को तो start करते हैं. Why we are thinking about that part? Okay, first semester में हमको क्या करना है? 2 book बनाना है for this algebra, 2 book for geometry, 2 books for geometry. Okay, and homework के लिए separate book बनाना है आपको. And still you have any doubts regarding academics, then kindly drop your mail in the mailbox. Okay, I'm starting with the lecture right now. Okay, so when you get homework on School Magica app. Okay, you will get the date also. Okay, now we have decided. Okay, but all the details will be let you know by the mail ID as well as at Magica app. Okay, so be updated with the Magica app. आप बार बार चेक करते रहो, आपको पता चल जाएगा. Okay, some students are telling that please check the answers of 1.1 to check my all answers are right or wrong. Students, it will be not now possible. Today we will not have the prayer. Okay, this is not the first lecture, guys, so that's why we will not take the prayer. Only first lecture we will take the prayer. Okay, we are moving towards the part. It's long time. Okay, so we are moving now. Okay, guys, now we are in the screen. Is am I audible? Am I audible as well as visible too, right? In your screen. Okay, so we will start with the lecture number 2. So now we have the lecture number 2. So how we have to write in class workbook or homework. Okay. So previous lecture what we have did ना, that part you have to write in the class work. सिंपल कंसेप्ट गाइस, जो हम लोग यहाँ पर कर रहे हैं ना ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में, वो आपको क्लास वर्क में लिखना है, और जो आपको होमवर्क दिया जाएगा वो होमवर्क में लिखना है. व्हाट इज द इशू? यस गाइस, आई एम वेरी मच क्लियर नाउ. Whatever we are doing, sir, the PPT you are showing can we write it in the classwork? No, not PPT. You have to solve the exercise questions. जो मैं practice at 1.1, 1.2 कर रहा हूँ ना, that you have to write. Not entire PPT you have to write. This PPT is for you guys. आपको easily समझ में इसके लिए PPT बनाया गया है. Yes, yes, I understand, sir. So we have to write the notes. Yes, you have to exactly start with the notes. इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ because start कर लो लिखने का अभी. We will get notes from. Okay, that's Rohit. Yes, Rohit, that's what I have told you now, that you will get the notes and all in the Magica app. Okay, you will get all the details in the Magica app. Okay, fine. Sir, notebook not there, workbook not there. Guys, don't ask me other questions. जो मैंने आपको बताया, आपको फोकस दो जगह पे करना है, क्लास वर्क एंड होमवर्क. That's it. अगर कुछ अपडेट रहेगा, so we will let you know. We are moving towards the next part, lecture number 2, chapter 1, sets. Okay, so you can see the types of sets, guys. Screen is displayed to you. We have types of sets, right? So you can see the name of the set. First set is singleton set. As you can see, first set is what? Singleton set. See, what do you mean by singleton set? As the name suggests, singleton. Singleton means one. Single means one. So the set having only one element, that is known as singleton set. Getting my point? A set consists of one. See here. A set consists of only single element is called singleton set. Means वो set जहाँ पर सिर्फ एक ही element present होगा, that set we will call it as singleton set. See example. It is given example. A is the set of even prime number. Yes. In the last lecture we have discussed now. We have discussed in the last lecture that what do you mean by prime number? Prime number means वो number जो खुद के टेबल में जाता है और 1 के टेबल में जाता है. Okay, which is the multiple of the same number, which is the multiple of 1. जो दो नंबर के टेबल में जाता है, that you known as what? Having prime number. And what do you mean by even prime number? We have discussed now. There is only one even prime number. What? There is only one even prime number. That is what? 2. 2 is the only even prime number, guys. Right? So A set में क्या आएगा? A set is what? A set means even prime number. That means 2. Okay. So A set having only one element now. So that set is known as singleton set. Means the set having only one element is known as singleton set. I hope guys this much is clear to you. Singleton is clear? Singleton is clear? Yes, I want fatapat answer. Yes, yes, yes. Some students are showing the thumbs up also, but it's not fine me to watch every student. Okay, so kindly tell me in the chat box. Okay, very good guys. Okay, and I appreciate you guys. जब मैं सवाल कर रहा हूँ आपको, so I am getting तकरीबन 40 से 50 chats आ जा रहे हैं मेरे सामने directly within this 30 seconds. 50 to 60 chats आ जा रहे हैं. Okay, thank you so much for being attentive. Next one, empty set and null set. Empty means as the name suggests. Sir, your voice is breaking. Yes, guys, my voice is breaking. Lots of students is telling. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, we'll move towards the topic. Okay, empty set means, yes, empty set means empty. In Hindi we can say khali. Okay, so empty set, but dog barking can be heard. No, here no dog is there. So, okay, so empty set means there will be no element. Okay, there will be no element. See here, if there is not a single element in the set, that is known as what? Empty set as well as null set. You can take both names, empty set as null set. See here, B is the set having natural number between 2 and 3. As we all know, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the natural number. So they are telling that what will be the natural number between 2 and 3? We have 1, 2, 3. So 2 और 3 के बीच में कोई natural number हो सकता है क्या? It will be not possible, guys, because 2 के बाद directly कौन आता है? We are getting 3. So between 2 and 3 there will be no natural number. Means no element is there. 2 और 3 के बीच में कोई element है कि no? So that is known as what? Yes, empty set. Getting my point? B is known as empty set. तो कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? B equals to empty. कर्ली ब्रैकेट को छोड़ देना है ऐसे ओपन करके, अंदर कोई एलिमेंट नहीं रहेगा. और यू कैन राइट दिस 5 ऑल्सो. दिस इज नोन एज 5. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? 5. Okay, so you can write in the curly bracket also, and you can write in the 5 part also. I hope this part is also very much clear to you. Empty and null set. So we'll move towards ahead. If the number are countable or limited, it is called finite set. Okay guys, don't बहुत ज्यादा मत जाओ आगे. ज्यादा जाने से प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. नहीं, जो सर बोल रहे हैं वो रिपीट भी मत करते जाओ. ओके, when I am telling something, then first listen carefully, then think whether sir is telling the right thing or not, then you have to answer it. But what happen now, if you are repeating the entire words by the sir now, there will be lots of problem. One time what happened now, a history sir was taking a lecture in a class, 9th standard class of Saint Anthony school. Okay, one history sir was taking the lecture. I'm taking just example now. So that sir was telling that yes, everyone have to repeat, दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. Then he was telling, and all the students were repeating. Yes sir, दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. Okay, every students were what? Discussing. दिल्ली में कौन है? कुतुब मीनार. So one student was there in the last bench. Okay, so he was sleeping. Okay, let's take an example. सुशांत, उसका नाम क्या है? सुशांत. Okay, so सर को गुस्सा आ गया एकदम. अरे, in my lecture some students are sleeping. It's very much sir एकदम गुस्से में आ गया एकदम. Okay, so what happened? Sir told him, Sushant, stand up. What happened, Sushant? Okay, what I said, दिल्ली में कौन है? Tell me. And Sushant was in the sleeping mode, right? Yes. So Sushant was saying, sir, दिल्ली में कुत्ता बीमार है. दिल्ली में कुतुब मीनार नहीं, दिल्ली में कौन है? कुत्ता बीमार. Okay, so that was the question by the sir, and that was the reply by our student. Okay, so sir जो बता रहे हैं, पहला listen that carefully, then answer my questions. I don't want कि मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वो repeat करते रहो पोपट के जैसा. I want you should be active. नहीं, कभी कभार मैं जानबूझ के गलत बोलूंगा. Okay, I will tell the false statement. Then you have to repeat it. ऐसा नहीं है. नहीं, आपको अच्छे से देखना है. Okay, guys, those who are writing the chats, okay, so be to the topic तो अच्छा रहेगा, वरना आपको ये लेक्चर में फिर सिंपल कर दूंगा एकदम. आज जो मजा आ रहा है आपको लेक्चर में, उसको सिंपल कर दो. यू वांट दैट? सिंपल में पढ़ा हूं मैं, कैसे वैसे में पढ़ा हूं, मजाक मस्ती में. Okay, so if you want this fun should be going on with the max lecture, then what happened? Then आपको भी मेरे साथ में क्या करना पड़ेगा? हाँ, properly maintain रहना पड़ेगा, properly coordinate करना पड़ेगा. Okay, we are moving towards the next part, finite set. What will be the finite set? Finite means the number which are countable, the things which are countable. See here, let's take one example. Here it is given C. See here, C is the number from 1 to 22 divisible by 4. See here, 1 to 22. What are the number divisible by 4? Okay, so 4 divisible means 4 के table में आता है, right? So what will be the number? 4. Yes, what will be the number? 1 minute, guys. Okay, what will be the number, guys? Divisible by 4. Okay, 4, 8, yes, 12, and 16, 20, 24. We can take 24? No, because the number is between 1 to 22, right? 1 से 22 के बीच में ही लेना है. So what we have to do, we have to take between 1 to 22 का divisible by 4. So these are 4, 8, 20, 12, 16 and 22. So these are the countable number, right? हम इसको गिन सकते हैं. these are the countable number. So that's why we are calling it as finite set. हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? It is a finite set. I hope this much is very much clear to you. We'll move towards the next part. Yes, infinite set now. Infinite set means opposite of finite set. Finite में क्या था? The number which are countable. So what will be the infinite set? Infinite set means the number which are uncountable, the numbers which is unable to count. Let's take an example. See the natural number. It is given n set. N set is given now 1, 2, 3, 4. कहाँ तक जाएगा वो? Where it will go? Where it will go? Yes, where it will go? Up to infinity. Yes, up to infinite it will go. As the name infinite, so the set is known as infinite set. Okay, वो चीजें जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हैं, that part is known as infinite set. Okay, let's take one example. Yes, anybody can give me finite set का example. Finite set का real time example, real life example I want. Real life example. I want real life example. Arey guys, don't give me this part, huh? Or that book ka question mat the whole number, natural number. I want real time examples. Yes, very good. Yes. Students in a class finite number, very good. Okay, so I'm muting 9C, roll number 17, Shraddha. Okay, Shraddha, just give me the examples of finite set in your own words.
Finite sets, sir, I could describe it or example.
Can you speak loud?
Sir, I have to describe it or give you
No,
an
describe
example.
not. Just give me one example. Finite set ka.
Okay. So the example of finite set is all the even numbers from 1 to 10. So that would be
Okay,
C
even
equal.
numbers. Okay. You have given the limitation, right? Up to
Yes.
that, we have to write the even number, right? Yes. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, and next student is yes, Rishi Gaikwad, ninth B, and unmuted you. Rishi. Okay. Yes, Shamali.
Yes, sir.
Just tell me the examples of infinite set.
Infinite set. Mm, infinite set. Yes, sir.
Like, normally example, normal example.
Normal example.
Yeah.
The monies which are uncountable.
Yes. Total number of money in the world. Yes.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Very good.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Welcome. Okay. So we are. I hope each and everyone is very much aware of the finite, infinite, and singleton and empty set. Shall we move ahead? Okay. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. So what will be the next part? Next part will be equal set. What do you mean by equal set? As the name says, two sets will be there and both will be equal. So that is known as equal set. Simple logic. दो set रहेगा and we have to check whether they are the same or not. If they are the same, then you have to put equal set. Okay. Yes, we are. Yes, X is mummy's lecture and scoldings. Okay, infinite set. Yes, one student has written a very good example at mummy's lecture and scoldings. That will be the infinite set. Yes, exactly. अच्छा इतना ज़्यादा डांटते हैं क्या? Okay, guys, we are moving to the next part. Equal sets. So what do we mean by equal set? We will take one example. Whenever a set A and set B having the same elements, again I am repeating, whenever the set A and set B having the same elements, then that part is known as set A is equal to set B, or we can call it as equal set. Okay, let's take one example. See here, let's take an example. A is what? Letter of word listen. Listen word ka we have to write the letter. What will be the letter? L, comma I, comma S, comma T, comma E, comma N. Written? आपने ये वर्ड्स लिख दिए ऑफ लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड लिसन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन आई हैव टेकन वर्ड बी. बी इज द लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड साइलेंट. राइट द अल्फाबेट्स S, comma I, comma L, comma E, comma N, comma T. Now check these two sets. Which is the element of number is equal set. Okay, so just now see here. Check. A और B के एलिमेंट सेम आ रहे हैं क्या? A we have A here L. A में पहला एलिमेंट is L. Whether we have L in the silent? Yes, we have L. Next one we have I. Whether we have I in the silent? Yes. Whether we have S? Yes, we have in the silent word also. Whether we have T? Yes, we have T. Whether we have E? Yes, we have E. Whether we have N? Yes, we have N. That means what? ए के जो भी एलिमेंट्स है वो सबके सब बी में प्रेजेंट है. वॉट एवर द एलिमेंट सेट है कंटेन्स ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन सेट बी. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? तो उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सेट ए इज इक्वल्स टू सेट बी. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट्स? गेटिंग माई पॉइंट्स? द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज ऑल द एलिमेंट्स गाइस. हर एक एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. अगर एक भी एलिमेंट मिस होता है तो वो इक्वल सेट नहीं होगा. That will be the not equal set. Okay, equal set means what? All the elements of A and B should be same. Then only we will call it as equal set. So I hope this part is clear to you. We'll move towards next part. Okay, so here we will move towards the practice set. Okay, 4 sets we have taken and last we have taken the equal sets. It will be a subset. I will starting with the practice set 1.2. See, डिसाइड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर इक्वल सेट विच आर नॉट. हमको पता करना है विच इज इक्वल सेट एंड विच इज नॉट. ओके, हियर वी हैव 3 सेट्स. One by one we will see. What is the first one? First one is a equals to 3x minus 1 equals to 2. See here, we have 3x minus 1 equals to 2. I can solve it out now. आपको linear equation solve करने आता रहेगा. So what you will do, 3x here, okay, we have here minus 1 to shift toward this side. So what you will get, 2 plus 1. Getting my point? Okay, so 3x equals to 2 plus 1 is what? 4. 2 plus 1 is what? 4. 4. Very good. कई लोग तो 4 बोल रहे हैं. I told you ना, मैं जो बोलूंगा रिपीट नहीं करना है, सोचना है. Then you have to tell. Okay, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So what will be the x? X के साथ 3 is in multiplication. Shift here, so you will get 3 upon 3. So you will get 1. Okay, so what is the value of x? 1. So I can write here a का value is 1. Getting my point? I think this is clear to you guys. Okay, we are moving towards the b का part. a का value क्या आया था हमारे पास? 1. Now we are moving towards the b का part. Okay, see what is b now. What is b? B is the natural number between x is neither prime nor composite. Yes guys, what is that number? Neither prime nor composite. हमने पढ़े थे ये चीज, neither prime nor composite. Okay, neither prime nor composite. Yes, chats में मिल रहा है मुझे जवाब. Yes, very good guys. I want each and everyone to be writing in the chats. Okay, so the answer is neither prime nor composite is 1. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we have written here, see here, a what we got, a हमको 1 मिला था, right? And b भी हमको क्या मिला अभी? What we got, b also 1 ना? 1 is only an element that is neither prime nor composite. Okay, and what about c? Now see the c का value. X is what? Belongs to natural number. So what is the natural number? 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? So x is less than 2. वो number जो 2 से छोटा है, what will be that? Again 1. C is also what? 1. Yes. If we will see the 3 sets, A का value is also 1, B का value is also 1, C का value is also 1. So all the 3 sets are coming same, yes or no? All the 3 sets are coming same, yes or no? Yes. So we can say that A is equals to B is equals to C. So what is this set? These are the equal sets. What is the question? Are equal sets or not? Are equal sets or not? So ये क्या है? Equal set है. Okay. And they have mentioned justify the answer. Okay. In exams, what happened na guys? Students will write that A, B, C are the equal sets, but they are not mentioning the answer. So what answer we have to write? We have to write set A and set B and set C having the equal number of elements or same number of elements. Getting my point? कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? Reason will be what? Set A, set B, set C having same number of elements. That is your reason. So I think this much is clear to you. Okay, we will see the answer now. Answer देखते सही है हमारा solution. Yes, A1, B is also 1 and C is also 1. So A, B, C are the equal sets. We are moving towards the next part. Okay. Decide whether the A and B are equal set or not. Again, we have one question. Okay. So we will do it now. Yes. A even prime number. What is the even prime number? What is the even prime number? Yes. Even prime number is what? 2. So I can write down A is equals to curly bracket 2. Okay. A is equals to what? Curly bracket 2. I think this is very much clear to you guys. Next one, B. We have again linear equation. We have to solve it. हमको solve करना पड़ेगा. I am solving. 7x minus 1 equals to 13. Okay. So I am solving it. 7x equals to 13. Okay. We have here minus 1. A shift here. Okay. Shift here. 13 plus 1. So we have 7x equal to 13 plus 1 is what? 14. So x equals to what? X will be what? 14 upon 7. Because 7 multiply में है ना. So if you will shift there, so you will get divide part. So what will be x? Yes, x equals to 2. I got A ka value 2 and B ka value 2. That means A and B are equal set. Yes, So I can write down b ka value also 2. So we have a ka value also 2, b ka value also 2. So I can say that a is equals to b, means set A is equals to set B. What is the reason? What will be the reason? The reason will be set A is equals to set B because it contains the same element, that is 2. Getting my point? सगळ्यांना कळलं? सबको समझ में आ गया? Understood? Okay, we will talk in the different languages, but main we have to talk in the English, and I want you should be speaking English with me, okay, when I will ask you the questions. Okay, so we will move toward the next part. Okay, so 2 ka answer will be this. See here, I have did a ka value 2, b ka value 2, and at last a and b are same. Okay, I want to just show the solution I have did in the previous part only. Okay, so Siddhant is telling that ये वाला sum नहीं समझा. Okay, Siddhant, I'm explaining for you again. Guys, please cooperate करो आप. अगर आप cooperate करोगे तो I'm sure आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. I'm damn sure आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay, yes, you have to write the equation. So see here, what will be the a? Even prime number. Even prime number मतलब क्या है? Prime number is from 2, 3 and so on. But we have only one even prime number, that is 2. See here, a is equals to 2. हमारे पास एक ही इवन प्राइम नंबर है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? बी. बी इज व्हाट? 7x minus 1 equal to 13. ओके, सो हमको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. 7x equal to what? 13. -1 शिफ्ट उधर करो, you will get +1. ओके, so 7x equals to you will get 14. What about x? X equal to you will get 14. 7 is a multiply, उसमें डिवाइड में लाओ, तो x you got 2. ओके, सो a का वैल्यू इज आल्सो 2, b का वैल्यू इज आल्सो 2. मतलब a और b सेट का एलिमेंट सेम आ रहा है ना, a and b सेट का एलिमेंट सेम आ रहा है ना. सर अंडरस्टूड, इट्स इजी एंड फन टू सॉल्व. यस यस यस, आई टोल्ड यू ना, मैथ्स बहुत सिंपल है, खाली आप लोग बदनाम कर रहे हो इसको. बहुत अच्छा सब्जेक्ट है मैथ्स. ओके, वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Okay, which of the following are empty sets? Now we have to find out the empty sets. Okay, let's focus on the figure. A is what? A is the natural number smaller than 0. Yes, this is empty set or not? Empty means उसमें कोई भी element नहीं आएगा. There will be not a single element. There will be not a single element. Okay. Yes, we will be doing revision part. Then I will explain you set builder form. Okay. Yes, anyone? Empty set है क्या ये? Yes, empty set है ये. Why? What they have given, guys? Simply see here, they have given smaller than 0. Natural number smaller than 0. अरे guys, natural number start ही 1 से होता है, तो 0 से छोटा नंबर कैसे आएगा? There will be no number. So I will write there will be no number. That means A is what? Empty set. See here, A is what? Empty set. A is natural number smaller than 0 and A is what? Empty set. Empty set I told you how to write. You can write with the curly bracket also and you can write with the phi also. ऐसा भी आप लिख सकते हो. It's up to you. Both are correct. Okay, next set is the empty set as it does not have any one element. वो empty set क्यों है? Because it does not have any of the element. Okay, we are moving towards the next part. This is very much interesting. Guys, listen here. We have B का set and the function is x square equals to 0. बहुत important sum है. We have x square equal to 0. See, x square equal to 0 means they're asking whether there is any number जिसका स्क्वायर 0 आता है. whether there is any number जिसका स्क्वायर 0 आता है. ऐसा कोई नंबर इसका स्क्वायर 0 आता है? Yes, anyone? Yes, I am getting the answers from your side. Okay, but I would like to ask the one question. Okay, yes Thakur, I am unmuting you. Just answer my question, and whether there is any number whose square is 0. Yes.
No, sir.
There will be no number, right? Okay. So Chetna, I'm unmuting you. Just tell me. You understood the question?
Yes.
So answer my question, please.
Sir, I don't think that.
Okay. Okay, unmute yourself. Yes, students are raising the hand. Yes, Ayan Sheikh, I'm unmuting you. Answer my question. Yes, Ayan Sheikh, chale gaya wo. Okay. So the answer is yes. I am getting the chat box. Okay. Yes, guys, we have one number जिसका square 0 आता है. That number is 0. 0 का square is what? 0 ना. Getting my point? Okay, so if we will square 0, okay, you will get 0 only. So we have one element, that is what? 0. So हम लिखेंगे b का value is, b contains one element, that is 0. So b will not be an empty set. नहीं, some students will think sir 0 का तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं आता है, so हम empty ले सकते हैं ना. No guys, empty set का मतलब समझो. What do you mean by empty set? Empty set means the set having none of the element. No element होना ही नहीं चाहिए. 0 भी एक वैल्यू है ना, वो अलग बात है, 0 कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल 100 के आगे 0 लगाओ, इट विल बी 1000, राइट? सो 0 का वैल्यू नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अगर वो अकेला है तो उसका वैल्यू नहीं है, बट व्हेन इट इज कमिंग इन द पार्ट विद समवन, सो इट विल क्रिएट अ लॉट्स ऑफ वैल्यू. ओके, सो आई थिंक इट इज दिस क्लियर. यस, इट इज सिंगलटन सेट आल्सो. इसमें एक ही एलिमेंट है ना, दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कॉल इट एज सिंगलटन आल्सो. बट वी आर आस्किंग अबाउट द एम्प्टी सेट. तो ये एम्प्टी है या नहीं? दिस इज नॉट एन एम्प्टी सेट. Okay, I think this is very much clear, guys. हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay. Solution C. Yes, we have an element 0. So set B is not an empty set as it contains one element. Okay, we are moving towards the next part. Okay. Write the reasons which are the following sets are finite and infinite. Okay. So we will do this sum and I will tell you that story. I told you ना infinite finite का एक story बताना था आपको. That is related to maths only. Okay, so I will tell you that story also. Write the reasons which of the following sets are finite and infinite. Okay, finite कौन सा है, infinite कौन सा है? I will tell you, show you the questions. Again, first question, tell me this is finite or not. Yes, see, a will be what? A will be what? See, x is natural number, so it will start with 1, and where we have to end? We have to end 10 से कम. So we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9, because they have told us 10 से less, right? 10 से less. You can see here now. So 10 से less is what? 9. So we will write from 1 to 9. So tell me, it is finite or not? Finite or not? Okay. Yes, guys, I am seeing your chats, but I want each and everyone should be replying. Huh? ऐसे ही नहीं बैठे रहना है. जो रेगुलर वाले हैं वही खाली रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं. आई वांट ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट. यस, फाइनाइट. यस, बिकॉज फाइनाइट हम गिन सकते हैं ना, दिस आर द काउंटेबल नंबर्स, राइट? सो वी कैन इजीली डू दैट पार्ट. आई एम वेटिंग. यस, वेरी मच क्लियर गाइस. विल मूव अहेड. आगे बढ़े हम लोग. ओके, so these are the finite set. Okay, they are moving towards the next question. See, a 1 2 3 4 9. Okay, then we have set A is finite set because it contains 9 elements. Okay, इसके काउंटेबल है. नाउ सी दिस बी वाला पार्ट. y such that y less than -1 से कम है, and y belongs to integer. We have saw the integer वाला part. What do we mean by integer? Integer means 0 and all the positive number and here negative number, right? So they have told that b will be what? -1 से छोटा. What will be the -1 से छोटा? -2, -3, -4 and up to what? Up to infinity. So whether it is countable? No, it is not countable. So it will be what? Infinite set. हम इसको गिन नहीं सकते, तो it will be what? Infinite set. I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay, I will see the solution. -2, -3 and B is infinite set because we cannot count its element. Okay. And I would like to ask you guys whether I am going too fast, just let me know, or whether I am going in this proper speed, perfect speed. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so we will move towards the infinite and finite part. Okay, see here now. Yes, infinite and finite part now. Set of students of class 9 from your school. Okay, I will ask you the questions and you have to answer it. Yes. Yes, Soumya Singh. Just answer my question, whether it is finite or infinite. I have unmuted you. Yes, Soumya. Okay, she's not answering. Yes, Soumya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer my question now. whether the question is this is finite set or not, set of students of class 9 from your school, it is finite or not?
It is infinite.
It is infinite.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Why?
Sorry, sir, it is finite because they are countable. We can count the students in a class.
Yeah. आप आपके क्लास के बच्चों को गिन सकते हो ना, whether 9th A having how many students, 9th B having how many students, 9th C having how many students, you can count now. So that will be a finite set. Okay. Okay. Unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. So set 9 is what? Set C is what? Set of students of class 9 from your school. It is finite set. Okay. So I'm moving towards the next part. Yes. Next one is Ritik Sharma. Second one. Answer.
Sir, which one?
Sorry. Second one. Set of people from your village. So first tell me, where is your village?
Bihar.
Sorry, Virar. Bihar. Okay. Bihar. Okay. Just answer my question. Set of people from your village. It is finite or infinite?
Finite.
अच्छा आप गिन सकते हो पूरे बिहार के लोग को?
No, sir. Infinite.
अच्छा आप नहीं गिन सकते हो?
Sir,
It is
finite.
countable. Yeah.
Finite.
Yeah, this is very good. Sir, finite. No, sir, infinite. Sir, infinite. What is this? Just stick to one answer. Sir, finite
sir.
or infinite, okay? Okay, because हम बिहार के पब्लिक को गिन सकते हैं. Time लगेगा, but गिन सकते हैं हम लोग उसको. Maharashtra also, Mumbai also, we have lots of people, right? But if we can count, if you do the counting, okay, कभी ना कभी हम गिनती खत्म कर सकते हैं. So it is finite set, okay? Okay, thank you so much, Dick.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Set of all apparatus used in the laboratory. Yes, I will ask somebody else. Okay. Tirth Falke. Okay, Tirth Falke. I have unmuted you. Yes, Tirth. Just tell me, set of all apparatus used in the laboratory. Finite or infinite?
Finite set.
Sure.
Yes.
What do you mean by apparatus?
Microscope.
Yeah. So you have visited your laboratory in the school?
Yes.
During science you have visited, na?
Yes.
Yes. So lots of things are there in the laboratory, right? So it is
Finite.
correlated to the science part also. Yes. So it is a finite part. Thank you so much. Okay. So this is the finite part. Okay. So guys, kindly take the notebook. Okay. Or you can take the screenshot or you can write. This is the homework part for you guys. This is the homework part. Kindly note it down. If done, just tell me. Okay. Question number 2 full. Question number 2 full. I have written question number 2, then you have to write entire question number 2. And in question number 4, second, fourth, and fifth you have to write. Okay, guys, clear? Okay. And one more thing I would like to share with you. Just we are remaining with how many time now? It's 11:37, right? So I think during lecture only we have discussed lots of things. If anyone having any doubts, then please let me in the chat box. आज के lecture में कुछ doubt है तो. If you have any doubts, please let me know. आज के lecture में कुछ doubt है तो. Yes, yeah. If you don't have any doubts, then let me know. No, sir, you have can write. Yes, I'm getting the answers from your side. No, sir. Now, sir, tell the story of infinite. Okay. So, okay. In short, I will explain first one thing because little bit students are getting doubts with this part. So I will tell you that part first. See, you can see my screen. Set builder form, right? Okay. So I will tell you this part, and then I will move towards the story part. Okay. So rule method or set builder form. Set builder का मतलब क्या होता है मालूम है guys? You have to write in the form, in the formula form. okay, in the formula form. See here, one example I can take. See here. See, what is given? I can say A is what? अगर मैं ऐसा लिखता हूँ, A is what? 1, 2, 3 up to 9 I can say. I have given a listing method. मेरे पास एक listing set है. Okay. A equals to 1, 2, 3 equals to 9. Okay. So how we can write in the set builder form? First I will see where the numbers start. Okay. हम number कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? So it is starting with 1 ना. So what I will do, see here. A equals to x dash x such that x. So x is what? It is a number. It is starting from where? 1 से. तो 1 मतलब क्या होता है? Natural number या whole number? Natural number या whole number? We are getting with the natural number. So what I will do? X belongs to natural number. जो number होता है वो लिखना है हमको. X start कहाँ से हो रहा है? 1 से हो रहा है ना. So x belongs to what? Natural number. And what do you mean by natural number? Natural number कहाँ से कहाँ तक? So 1 to 9 तक जा रहा है ना. So I will write x का value will be 1 to 10. 1 और 10 के बीच में आ गया. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes. Tell me in the chat box. The student which has asked me the question, just let me know. आपको समझ में आया क्या? Yes, निशांत आपने ही पूछे थे, आपको समझ में आ गया है. Means आपका जो लिस्टिंग मेथड रहेगा ना, you have to convert in the formula part. एक कॉमा के नेचुरल नंबर होल नंबर में लाना है हमको. Sir, clearly understand. Okay. Now we are moving towards the last 5 minutes are remaining, and no doubts are there, guys. So I will tell you the infinity का story. क्या होता है infinity में? Okay. So what happened one day? Okay, I will stop the screen. One minute just. Okay, guys. So what happened now? One day, what happened? Our Indian mathematician, that is Ramanujan. Okay. Last lecture homework was wrong. All of you did their homework now. All of you have done the homework. Last lectures. Yes, just okay, fine. Okay. So now all this, I think all the things are clear with you. Okay. Those who have not written, guys, you have to write at anyhow. Okay. Okay. So you want last lecture ka homework. Okay. So I will show you the homework. See, this is the homework, last lecture. Okay. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Last lecture ka homework here. If you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay, those who have written the rough book, please make it fair. Okay, so there will be a mistake. Okay, might be mistake. This is question number 3 now. So you have to write question number 4. Some students have told, but if you can write question number 3 also, question number 3 don't have any sum. Okay, so change it, guys. Question number 3 को change करिए, question number 4 कर दो. Okay, question number 3 को change करिए, question number 4 कर दो. Okay, guys. In homework book, okay. So I hope this much is clear now. So I was telling you the story, guys. It was 11:41. So still you have any doubt? Then please tell me. Or should I start with the story? Fast. We have no doubt. So shall we start with the story? Okay. So last 3 minutes are remaining. So what happened? One day, our Indian mathematician, that is Ramanujan, he went to abroad for the further studies in the mathematics to do the PhD. What happened at that part? When all the students were sitting and the professor was taking a lecture in that university, I think it was England University, yes. So it was, what happened? You look like a YouTuber, the Rocky Show, you can search it for it. Okay. Okay. So what happened? All the students were the students came from various countries. Some students came from Australia, some came from Europe, some came from different varieties of countries. So our India, okay, you're teaching good. Okay, so our India representing one student, that is Ramanujan, he went to that university. सब लोग बैठे हुए थे. Professor was taking the lecture. What happened? I will tell you what happened. Sir was doing maths ka sum. So at last the answer got is, okay. At last the answer got is infinity. उनको infinity answer आया. And what did the professor did? So dash मार के छोड़ दिया उन्होंने. He left the sum and he told, yes, you have to practice in your home, and he left the class. All the students were leaving the class one by one. But what happened? Ramanujan was sitting in his place, in his bench, and he was thinking that something he was thinking. So when all the students left the class, he was alone in the class. He came to the blackboard, and what he have written, see here, see the screen. He have written equals to, okay, he have written infinity equals to what? Minus 1 by 12. Okay, this is the very very important part. Okay, what he have written? Minus 1 by 12, and he had written and he left the class. Okay, वो स्कूल निकल के स्कूल छोड़कर चले गए. नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट हैपेंड? यूजुअली कैसे होता है नेक्स्ट डे में, जब हम लोग लेक्चर में आते हैं तो बोर्ड में जो पहला लिखा रहता है वैसे ही पढ़ा रहता है ना, वो कोई रब नहीं करता है उसको, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंड यूजुअली व्हेन स्टूडेंट्स केम एंड द प्रोफेसर केम, द सर सो, अरे आई हैव रिटन द इंफिनिटी, but who has written this minus 1 by 12? What is this minus 1 by 12? Yes, sir was asking to the students. Yes, students, raise your hand. Those who have written this minus 1 by 12, please tell me. Who has written this? किसने लिखा ये? नहीं, he was telling no one was raising the hand because लिखा किसने था? हमारा इंडियन ने लिखा था, रामानुजन ने लिखे थे, right? So at last जब सर गुस्से में बोले, so रामानुजन was sir I have written this. Okay, you have written Ramanujan. Okay, please come towards the board and explain me आपने infinity का वैल्यू minus 1 by 12 क्यों लिखे? Explain me. Okay. अब ये रामानुजन के लिए बहुत बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था, क्योंकि दुनिया में आज तक infinity का वैल्यू कोई बताया ही नहीं है, बट रामानुजन ने लिखा बोर्ड में. So sir was asking what is the calculus part, means what is the solution? आप क्या हिसाब से बोल रहे हो? तो रामानुजन told that sir I don't have any solution, बस मेरे दिमाग में आया मैंने लिख दिया. रामानुजन told that सर मेरे दिमाग में बार बार आया था कि इन्फिनिटी का क्या होना चाहिए, minus 1 by 12 होना चाहिए, so I have written. Okay, and उन्होंने solution नहीं बताया. But now मैथ्स इतना तरक्की किया है guys, we have the value of infinity. नहीं, means infinity equals to minus 1 by 12. We can prove, हम prove कर सकते हैं इसको. Okay, whenever I will get a time, I will show you the proof. Okay, अभी तो टाइम नहीं हमारे पास में, but whenever I get a time, I will show you the proof. So I hope you enjoyed the lecture. This homework we have to do in the classwork only, book only. Yes, okay. Homework वाला part that Magic app में आपको मिल जाएगा क्या homework करना है. All the things you have to do in the classwork only for practice purpose. Oh, okay. So whatever I am doing now, what I am giving the homework also, for now you can write with the classwork only. So make 2 separate books and you can start. And tomorrow we will start with the geometry part. Weekly we have 4 lecture now. So 2 lecture for algebra, 2 lecture for geometry. It's okay for you? So it will be very much clear. So tomorrow we will see the geometry part. Okay. Thank you so much, students, for being with me. Okay. Bye. Take care. Bye. Yes. Nice day to you. Bye. Yes, thank you so much, guys. I'm ending the meeting. Thank you so much.